Happy Monday, people. Happy Monday. Back at it. Another day. Going live here. What's up, Noel? Samantha, good morning, afternoon. Happy Monday. Doing some of interior angles in triangles today. Okay. Good afternoon, DeLacy. How we doing? So we'll start in like another minute or two, but just for the people that aren't here, I'll write this down. Pretty easy day today. Here we're doing number 2 worksheet under angles on my Google site as homework, or I put it on Google Classroom. So it's on both sites, so it's easy for you guys to figure out where it is. All right. We're having a good weekend. Bored yet? Yeah, I'm losing my mind slowly but surely. But every day at 12, we get to come together. Yeah, so I'll just jot this down. Triangle, angle 1, 2, and 3, and we're gonna go over how to find. An angle, a missing angle in a triangle. It's pretty simple today, so should be relatively quick, and we'll just build off of today's lesson for the rest of the week. So we're just doing interior angles in a triangle. All right, another minute and we'll get going. Bam, baby. This is my fish I made. Pretty sweet, right? Yep. I made this. Hi, Catherine. Sorry about the noise. We're doing some yard work out there. All right. Hello, Diana. All right, guys. You ready? It's going to be a fantastic day. All right. So, some of interior angles within a triangle. So, guys, the shape of a triangle, like everyone should know from our very, very young years in elementary school, there are 3 angles in a triangle, right? All different types of triangles. That's really not our topic today because it's all the same. There are 3 angles in a triangle, and you should know this already, but I'll go over it. The 3 angles in a triangle always give you a sum that equals 180 degrees. So angle 1, 2, and 3 should always add up to be 180 degrees when dealing with a triangle. And that's all we're really focusing on today. We're just focusing on the inside angles, interior angles within a triangle. So there is a theorem, that's what they call it, the triangle theorem of interior angles, and it's pretty simple. It's written like this. You have angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will always equal 180. That's it. All right. Hey, Jillian. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will always equal 180 degrees. Okay. So this is pretty easy to understand and pretty easy to remember, because this angle plus this angle plus this angle, the sum, which means addition, will always equal 180 degrees. So it doesn't matter, guys, what I put in for the angle measures, okay? I could put numbers, I could put expressions, I could put anything. I could put, yeah, I mean, just like I said, numbers and expressions. And then you're just going to add them all up together and equal to 180 degrees. So now this starts off pretty simple. I literally put numbers, and you just have to find the missing angle. And the way to do that is just add them equal to 180, okay? So we got this down. So I'll leave that up, and then right here, let's do our first one. So we have triangle DEF. All right, we got 110, 55. Okay. This is angle D, triangle DEF. Okay. So now let's take a look at this. I have triangle DEF here, right? So in DEF, I have angle D, which is 110 degrees. I have angle F, which is 55 degrees. And I need to find the measure of angle E. We don't know it. Now this is as basic as it comes, okay? How do I find the measure of angle E? Very simple. I do this theorem. I take angle D, because they given it to me. I do 110 plus 55 plus X and equal it to 180. Simple as that. So I guarantee people right now are figuring out this missing angle measure. So if you got it, just type it in the comments. If not, watch what I do to figure it out. Now listen, this is easy. You can probably do it in your head, right? Yeah. It's probably easy to be able to do it in your head, but write it out, because watch what I'm going to incorporate in a second. So 110 plus 55 plus X equals 180. Okay, simple. So what did I make? I made an expression here. Now you do 110 plus 55, which is 165 plus X equals 180. Subtract 165 from both sides. Good job. Yep. Hi, Catherine. Good job, Diana and Catherine, right? How'd you get 15? Well, I made an equation, because I like to set up equations so I know I'll never get it wrong. But I know people can do this really easy in their head. They said 110 plus 55 plus 15 will always give me, these three angles will always give me what? 180. Okay? That's it. All right, everyone following along so far? Pretty easy, right? Let's try another one. I'll do one more easy one, then I'll get into the expression one, which I guarantee everyone will be fine with. So I'm going to erase this. Hopefully you got it. I'll leave this up for us today. All right, JKL. Let's do triangle. JKL. 7156. All right, here we go. I got angle J, I got angle A. I need to find the measure of angle K. All right, how do you do this? I think everyone's going through this in their head. I know that three angles in a triangle equal 180. So if I want, I could set myself up an expression or an equation. 71 plus 56 plus X equals 180. Guys, what is X going to equal? 71 plus 56 minus 180. If you want to do the work, guys, you add these together and then subtract. X equals, good job, 53. Good. So what is this measure of angle K? 53 degrees. Bam. Pretty good. Nice. Good job. Okay. Pretty simple. Now, let me get into basically 2 more problems, guys, and then that's basically it. Then you guys are going to go on and try that. I gave you guys a worksheet under my site. It's worksheet number 2 under Google Classroom. I posted it there as well. So whichever you use, it's there. So, all right. So now these ones are easy. If I straight up give you numbers, guys, just add and subtract from 180. It's pretty simple. Now, what if I have this? That's 2x. That's 50 degrees. That's 70 degrees. I want to know the measure of angle y. Let's see. What's the issue here? Now I don't give you just I put an x, I put a variable in here, kind of throw you guys off. But listen, go to your triangle, your theorem, right? The 3 angles in a triangle equal 180 degrees, the sum of them. So you just go 2x plus 50 plus 70 equals 180. Okay? Now, 1, 2, 3, the sum equals 180. Now you just can simply solve here, okay? So this is going to be 2x plus, now you do combine like terms, guys. That's all you're really going to do. You're going to do 50 plus 70, right? So this is going to be 120 equals 180. Solve for x. So 2x equals 60. X equals 30. All right. X equals 30. Now, if I told you, now I know a lot of people would be like, bam, got it. But remember, I want the measure of angle y. So the measure of angle y is not 30, but replace x with 30 here. So it's going to be 60. Okay? Degrees. Mr. Murphy, what's good? Mr. Murphy, welcome to the math fam. We all here just chilling. So it's not, so we got x to be 30, but guys, remember, to find the actual measure of angle y, you got to substitute it back in to find the actual angle measure, which was 60. All right? Sweet. Let's do another one. Now, guys, I can put anything in here now, and you guys should be fine with it at this point. You just added up all 3 of these to equal to 180, all right? So I'll throw one, and the one I'm going to show you right now is basically as hard as it's going to get when it comes to just interior angles within triangles. All right, so let's do... We got 70, 60, and x plus 2. X plus 2, 70 degrees. So Q, R, S. I want to find the angle of measure Q. So now, I mean, I could have put like an x here as well. I could put 2x plus something here. It doesn't really matter what you really do here, right? So you go ahead, and now to show work here, you just go, okay, if I want to find an interior angle within a triangle, I know that I'm allowed to take every angle given, add them all up together, because that's known as the sum, and equal it to 180. Now you have a solid equation, and that's it. Solve it. So you guys are good with this. See, do you notice, guys? We're in kind of geometry right now. We're doing angles and stuff, but it all reverts back to equations. I told you that's going to happen, and it happens a lot next year as well. So the fact that we're doing some of this angle stuff, but we're still practicing equation is awesome, because this is extremely important for the rest of this year in 8th grade, and especially when you get into 9th grade. So let's go ahead and solve this. Now you combine like terms before you start moving any variable. So you do 2 plus 60 plus 70, so 8x plus 132 plus 180. Now, nice, whoever got 6, solid. So then, but remember we have to do, so people that you solve for x, that's not technically your full answer, right? If I want the exact angle, just do the last step for me, okay? That's cancels 8x equals 8. Nice, Murph. So if you got x to be 6, awesome. Don't jump the gun here because if it specifically said what's the measure of angle Q, it's not 6. Replace x with 6. So it's 8 times 6 plus 2. So 8 times 6 is 48 plus 2 is 50. That's your answer. Good, Castro. Solid, solid, solid. All right. Guys, any questions? So that's basically, when it comes to interior angles, guys, that's basically it. All right. So it doesn't get any more, doesn't get tricky. It doesn't get any more tricky than this when it comes to interior angles. The only thing that's going to change is that the expressions will get, there might be like 2 expressions here. So you have to like combine more like terms and just go through your steps of solving an equation. But that's basically it when it comes to the interior angles within a triangle. The biggest thing you need to take away from this is that the angles will always equal 180 degrees in a triangle. So if you can remember that, just to add them up and equal to 180, you're not going to have an issue with this whatsoever. Any questions with this? Thanks, Murph. One love, much love. You guys want to do one more really quick? Let's do one more, and then we'll sign off, and you guys can try that worksheet. All right? I'll just make this one. I'm gonna do. It's gonna make up in my head, so I don't even know if it's gonna work out. We should try. Here we go. There we go. Solid triangle. Let's do. You ready? 5x plus 2, 10x minus 8. 5x plus 4. Are we done, Tatiana? Yeah, we're done after this one. Oh no, I gave you 3 expressions in a triangle. I don't know what to do. Yeah, right. Crazy easy. If you don't know, you better know that the triangle, to find an interior angle, you just do the theorem, which is what? You take each angle, add them up to equal 180. Bueno? Now combine like terms. I have 2 minus 8. Oh boy. 2 minus 8 is negative 6. Plus 4 is minus 2. All right. So that's negative 6 minus 2 plus 4 is 6 equals 180. This isn't going to work out well, but it's okay. Okay. Then add 2 to both sides. So 20x equals 182. And then x is going to equal 9.1. Yes, 9.1. Did everyone get that? Now, if I wanted to know, we won't do all the angles because it's just the same steps repeated. If I said I want to know this angle, let's call this angle M. Let's call that angle M. If I said, what's the angle M? What would you guys tell me? If x is 9.1, can someone tell me what angle M is going to be? So why did I do that? To find angle M specifically, you have to replace X, whatever we got here. And you do that with every angle here if you want to figure out all three exact angles. So 5 times 9.1. Good job. Yep, 49.5 degrees. So it's 49. How we do? What do we think today? What do you think? Good? There's the work. Homework. It's the number 2 worksheet under angles on my Google site. Also, I posted the same exact worksheet from my site on Google Classroom. Easy, Samantha. Yeah, duh. You got me teaching it to you. But, so make sure you guys do that worksheet. It's 1 page, all right? Send it to me. People have been texting me on to remind the pictures. People have been sending it back on Google Classroom. That's perfect. That's perfect. So make sure you keep doing that, all right? So everyone's doing super well. Whoever's here, once again, get credit. Guys, make sure we're still reaching out to other people in my class. Where's Josiah? Josiah said whoever has Josiah's number, tell him he's a fool if he thinks he's going to play me by hitting me up on a remind, telling me, oh, my fault, thought it was 12. So let him know I'm onto his games, and he'll be getting a call. So whoever's Josiah's number, shoot him a text from me, tell him I'm not happy with him. Besides that, guys, good job. So we did great today. That was pretty easy. Work on that worksheet. Hit me up on a reminder if you have any questions, guys. We are the math fam, okay? So one love to all you guys. All right, be good out there. Catch you guys later. Peace.